Elias did not think twice. Even when he didn't have money, the lady, the perpetrator, promised that she would find a way to enable him travel without paying a coin, but he would pay when he starts working. However, Elias was informed to be ready in a period of 2 days to travel. So he went to the offices of the perpetrators. However, the lady was not there. There was another man who led Elias to the bus park. Now, this bus park, we have always talked about our Ugandans being led to travel from Kenya, specifically the buses that go to Kenya. The bus that went through Busia border point is the one that took Elias, and he went up to Nairobi to be able to travel. But at the office here in Uganda, he had a polythene bag and another bag on him. So he was tricked into putting his things in a different backpack because they told him you cannot travel on flight with a polythene bag. So in his naivety, unfortunately, he handed his properties to the perpetrators, who gave him a separate backpack. Unknowingly, this backpack had drugs in it. So once Elias reached Hamad International Airport in Qatar, the authorities there scanned his properties and found 4 polythene bags with drugs. So Elias was taken to court, consequently, and sentenced to 25 years in prison. So why do we bring this information right now? The call, the outcry from Elias, 29th of August, police in Lugala managed to rescue 8 Burundians who were trafficked into the country. The 8 Burundians, 6 of them were staying in Lugala and the 2 were staying in Kosovo, a place called Kosovo, near Lugala. Now, this happened after a tip-off from some of the residents in Lugala who we would like really to appreciate. We've always been calling upon the public to be vigilant, and this is what happened this time around. The residents were concerned after seeing a total number of 8 people living in a single room, women aged between 24 and 33, all staying in a single room, but at the same time often came out during the night to probably try and go and fend or forced into prostitution. So the 8 victims are in custody in the right hands of our service providers for victims